There are very scary statistics in terms of how many women get raped every day. Others break it down to an hour. To us, really, it's not the issue of stats. One rape is one more enough. So we're just saying, basically, we need to wage a massive campaign to bring this scourge to an end. This is a multi-pronged problem, and it will need a multi-pronged strategy as well. A, we'll have to look if there are any gaps in terms of the existing legal framework and the legislation in general. We'll have to look at that. But more than anything else, it's about us getting a conversation where we talk to young people, where we talk to middle-aged males, but where we need to get them to speak out and find out from them what do they think are the causes. And again, what will it take for us to bring an end to this scourge?